How's it going, guys? Josh here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing all right. So this thing arrived in the post this morning. This is the brand new controller from Microsoft. It's the official Cyberpunk 2077 controller. And yeah, I've needed a new controller for ages, guys. And as soon as I saw this release, I was like, I have to have it. It just looks so cool with the designs on both sides. So going to be doing an unboxing for you guys today. Of course, the console is coming out as well, but that's not out for a few months. But yeah, going to show you guys this today. So this is the front of the box. We've got the classic yellow color scheme from the game. On the side, it tells us a little bit of information about the connectivity. So obviously this is Bluetooth, but it will hook up straight to an Xbox as well. I'm a PC player, so I'll just be using Bluetooth. And it's the same on the other side as well. And then on the back, we've got a little bit more information, and it shows off the back of the controller as well, which I love the color scheme here. Really, really cool. And if we have a look here, tells us that it's obviously inspired by Johnny Silverhand, which is one of the main characters in the game. So that is the box. Without further ado, let's open it. Here we go. And there is the controller, guys. It looks absolutely amazing, I can tell already. I'm just gonna pop it to one side for just a second. I'll show you guys what else we get. So obviously we've got some batteries here, which is always good. Do like it when they include batteries so you can use it straight away. Pop them to one side. And just underneath here, we should have some instructions. And we've gotten Game Pass as well, which I'm not going to show you guys because it will have my code on. Looks like we do get that included as well. Maybe it was just for pre-orders. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, we've got one in mind. So that is the box. Let's put that to one side so we can actually check out the controller. So here is the controller, guys. As you can see, it looks absolutely insane. They've done a really good job. There's so many details on here as well. I'll try and show you guys. So obviously, first of all, we've got the asymmetrical design. I really like how they've kind of gone in this pattern rather than just splitting it directly in half. Really, really cool. It's got pretty heavy damage. Well, I'd say light damage, but you can definitely tell where they've kind of made it look like it's got scratches on and stuff. Over here, try and shine it in the light for you guys. It says no future, which is it's quite a cyberpunky thing to put on there. But it is actually scratched into the plastic. Like, you can actually feel this. I don't know how they've managed to do that. I guess they just added it into the mold. But yeah, you can see not only have we got the text, we've also got a few extra scratches on there as well. So yeah, really, really adds to that whole cyberpunk vibe. Underneath here, you can see we've got some light scuff marks. Also up on the top here, you can see this is kind of worn, which it doesn't really show in the light, but when it's in the dark, you can kind of see it. And then over on the left side, we've got some scratching right here where the menu button is. Very, very cool. We've got a scuff mark over on the left here, and just a few extra chips. So they've not gone like super crazy with the damage, but I mean, it definitely fits the whole vibe, like I said. And it just looks like it's worn, like especially this bit as well. This is what you expect to kind of happen with rubber coated stuff, like it tends to peel off. And yeah, it just looks really cool. Obviously, if you're into more minimalistic stuff, like if I grab the normal Xbox controller, I mean, yeah, it doesn't look as clean, but if you like the design and you like kind of cyberpunk looking stuff, then absolutely fantastic job on this. A couple of the extra details. We've got Arasaka here, which I think is one of the like biggest factions in the game, and I've just noticed some extra scuff in here as well, which is really cool. Over here, I'm not sure what the significance is of this writing. Again, if you know, then drop a comment. At the top here, we've got the Xbox logo. This is actually blacked out, which is pretty stealthy when it's off at least. Obviously, that's what the white controller looks like. So when we press this, should shine through as normal. Now, throughout the whole controller, you can see we've got this kind of red, silver, and black color scheme going on, which is obviously inspired by Johnny Silverhand. And I love how they've done the red underneath the stick here with the gray top of the stick. Looks really cool. On this side, you can see we've got different colors, so black on the right-hand side and red on the left. Everything else is pretty much standard. The only thing that is different from the like normal controllers is the fact that this has like a textured grip here, which actually feels quite good. You don't normally get that on the just ordinary controllers, but yeah, definitely adds some more grip and just makes it feel a little bit more premium. Also on the back, we've got the, I think this is the Arasaka logo? I think it might be. And then under here, we've got 2077, which again, very cool. How does it feel? It feels absolutely fine. Triggers feel the same as any other controller, and the sticks are also fine as well. I have heard people say with custom controllers that they get sticking and things like that, so I'll have to use it a little bit, but it feels totally fine. So I think that is about everything. If you got any questions or anything, drop me a comment and I'll definitely get back to you. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing today. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, guys. I would appreciate that, and ding the notification bell. I do a lot of PC gaming related stuff, so if you're into that, definitely stay tuned for more. Drop a like rating if you did enjoy. That would also help me out massively. But yeah, thank you for watching today, guys. Hope you all have an awesome week. I'll catch you all in the next one.